Welcome everyone to our new series, Life is Art. Art has many forms, and each form has its own beauty. Painting is one such form wherein one casts their thoughts or imagination and fills them with colors of life. Our guest today is an Exceldite who loves to paint, and we would know from her more about this art form today. Hi, Nishita.
Hi, Siddhan. Thank you so much for making me a part of this.
So, Nishita, tell us about your uh, journey of painting.
Everyone says that, it is very important to maintain a work life balance. So, it is important for us to spend time with family. It is important for us to socialize with friends. It is equally important for us to, spend time with ourselves. So for me, art is that time. It is the time where, I spend it with me. I paint my thoughts. I channel my creativity. So it is very important for me. And I try to, have some quality time with me at least twice a week. There are n number of benefits of painting. The first one that I'll say is it helps you develop patience. It helps you develop attention towards details. It also helps you improve your focus, and most of all, it helps you relax your mind. It's a
Yeah.
stress busting activity, and it really helps you uh, get a perspective.
Okay. So, uh, what kind of painting do you like to do?
I draw everything, each and everything. There's no specific art form that I do. Sometimes I do mandala art. It has been proven uh, to be a good form of meditation. So mandala is there, and most of the time it is freelance, free form, freestyle. Just think of something and start drawing.
All right. So, what is the latest thing that you have painted?
Uh, shall I show you?
Yeah, sure.
Can you see?
Nice.
It says life is beautiful. I have it with me.
Nice. And even the painting is very beautiful.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
It is great. If anyone would like to pursue painting, what would be your advice to them?
Just start it. Don't think too much about it. Just take a pencil, take a pen, paper, and start. You can start from doodling, then sketching, then anything you want. And trust me, once you start doing it, you will realize that it has immense benefits, and I think it is the best form of hobby one can develop. So if people are still struggling to find their hobbies, I'll say that please give it a try to painting. It will have a number of benefits for their professional and personal lives.
So, uh, if one pursues life as art, does your day-to-day work have the same ability to give you that kind of contentment?
I think definitely. I mean, art is what? It is putting your heart and soul into something and then trying to create something which express your beliefs and views. So if we actually put our heart and soul, if we are actually passionate about something, if we apply the same theory that we are applying towards our painting, same theory if we apply to any and every field, it's just you have to be passionate about it, you have to give time, you have to be creative, and definitely the contentment can be achieved.
How would you say, should people pursue any kind of art form while they are working?
It is all about you wanting to have a perfect balance. It is very easy nowadays to become a workaholic. Initially people used to consider it as a compliment, but I feel that it is not. You have to have that balance between the work life, your social life, your personal growth, everything. So you have to divide your time in a way so that you are able to spend time with everything that is important in your life. If we are focused only on one thing, in the long run it is not going to serve the greater purpose. And self care, self growth, personal growth is as important as your professional career growth. So in order to maintain a perfect balance between personal life, social life, and work life, it is very important to take out time to do something that you like. It does not necessarily have to be an art. People like to work out, people like to, make potteries. Any form of hobby, I would say it is not an option. People should not take it as an option. They should make it a habit that they, spend some time channeling their creativity into something that they like.
That's great, Nishita. And I hope the points that you shared today will surely help someone, if not to pick up, the paintbrush and colors, then to pursue some other kind of hobby.